So, ano pa sa guys? So, mag-swimming me guys. Mag-swimming me diri sa ilang swimming pool. Oo. Yeah, very far the bath. If you want to pee, it's very far.
There is the key.
Yeah. Yes guys. Oh look, ato naka-jacket pa ko. Park po diri guys. Pwede mo diri maghigda-higda, magdala og towel. Muna nagdala si Jerbot. I don't know if makaya na ko guys kay so windy. Pwede kayo nangaligo. Wow. Pwede kayo nangaligo guys as in. I don't know if I can do it. May jacket mong gani ko kay so windy niya. Nakasimsok pagig ko, 2 piece. Oh, makayo ka na ako guys. What do you think? Sumurot guys. Bye-bye mo chup-chup. So, manapad sa guys. Oh, mag-swimming na ta. Naka-2 piece pa si Andy. Bisa grabe katugnaw. Okay, tanaw lang nato ron. Ug makaya nato ang katugnaw. Okay, oh. 2 piece. Pak. Ang bilbil din ha. Bahala mo dira. Lami ikaon nga no di ay. Okay, adto na ta guys. Mga adto na ta. Nagka-allergy lagi ko diri guys. Dili na siya kuan bugas na naong. Basta nagka-allergy ko sa sabon. Nanggalo na to ang atong headband. Kay mabasa na siya. Kay maligo na ta. Okay, so marat bye-bye. Mama chup-chup. Guys! Kataglaw kayo guys! Oh, kanapan lang. What happened to me if I will go there?
Yes.
How deep is that?
It's for children.
This one. Okay, I will see.
A little bit more as the
children.
Okay. I want to see. There is stairs. You can walk slowly.
So, what's up guys? I'm swimming. Yes, it's not really hot. Yeah. Oh guys, I'm swimming pool. Yeah. Pero tingnan gamay.
Down.
It's because it's windy.
It's not kind. Go down.
Sana pa siya, guys! Oh, grabe. Oh, look at that. Cherbot, hi. Yeah. Uy, grabe kalami sa tubig, guys. Bisag tugnaw. Ilang water is warm. Oh. Wow. Grabe ka nice there, guys. Oh, super nice. Dool ra kay.
The water is warm because of yesterday.
Yeah. Dool na ni sa among apartment, guys. Nag-walk ra gali imi. Yeah, it's raining now actually. Nag-ulan na siya nga naman. Imbis na maligo na mi. Yeah, it's raining. Yeah, pag mutindog ka guys, grabe ka tugnaw. As in, not so much people here kay kuan man guys kaning Sunday, and then dili sila ganahan kay tugnaw kay 21 degrees man gud dun guys. Pero giganahan ni kay warm man ang water. Oh, tugnaw gid siya as in. Pag naa ka sa gawas. Oh, mo na ang itsura diri sa swimming pool. Guys, og naa si Jerbot. Dako kay lang swimming pool kani diri guys. Hantod ko ana ni siya. 4 feet. And then dito sa pikas pang swimming dito siya, pang swimmers. Dito na. So, maura to guys. Bye-bye mo chup chup. Chup chup chup. Chup chup.